The best racing wheels for PC offer more feedback from the car and racetrack than lesser kit, and that means you can respond to changes in drive and traction with faster and with greater accuracy. There are tons of excellent steering wheels, so picking out a favorite one is a near impossible task. So in this video, we will discuss top 5 best gaming steering wheels for an epic 2023 gaming experience. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for discounted offers. Let's start. Number 5. Thrustmaster T300 RS GT. From the wheel to the pedal base to the motor inside, the Thrustmaster covers all the bases for a quality racing wheel to get you into the action of your favorite racing games. If you are a beginner or even a more advanced sim racer, you shall appreciate all this wheel has to offer. For starters, there's the realistic feel of the 11-inch wheel built on brushed metal and wrapped all the way around with rubber grips, so you will not slip even if the race gets hairy. That grip will come in handy with all the power behind that wheel. This wheel uses a dual belt system with a brushless force feedback motor to deliver 25 watts of power. However, thanks to the design, all your actions should remain smooth, and it will not be terribly noisy. The wheel even totes a 1080-degree turning range with Hall effect sensors for accuracy and 2 paddle shifters to help you always get to the right gear. The face of the wheel features all the buttons and controls you need for PlayStation games, as it's compatible with PS5, PS4, and PC. And to complete the kit are 3 metal pedals, an accelerator, clutch, and brake. Number 4. Logitech G923. Logitech has been in the steering wheel industry for around 2 decades now, and as gaming technology has improved, so has the quality of their wheels. Steering wheels are typically aimed at either entry-level players looking to dip their toes in the water of sim racing or hardcore racers who have been doing this for some time now, and the G923 caters for both brilliantly. The G923 also offers perhaps the most immersion you shall get from any wheel on the market, thanks to the new True Force technology, while still keeping the price point below the upmarket costs. The price is steep if you are new to the scene, but it's less than its direct competitors and is one of the best when it comes to performance. Number 3. Thrustmaster T248. The relatively new Thrustmaster features an ultra-premium build quality, stellar feel, top-notch force feedback, fast-shifting magnetic paddles, and realistic pedals. All of this combines to create an extremely impressive and immersive racing experience that will appeal to those who take their racing games seriously. The T248 is designed for a real gaming experience, which is readily apparent the first time you sit behind the wheel. It has 3 force feedback sensitivity settings to help you tailor the experience to your liking. It also has a whopping 25 action buttons and a pair of dual encoders, which means you have a dizzying number of options for mapping inputs to your preference. In addition to the customization, the wheel has a small screen that displays various stats, more than 20. Key stats include speed, laps, best lap time, tire RPMs. These stats are not displayed in all games, but most of the popular racing games of today are compatible with this feature. The wheel itself is wrapped in premium synthetic leather that mimics the feel of sports cars. It comes with an easy-to-use clamp to fasten the wheel securely to a desk or table. Along with the magnetic paddle gear shifters, the wheel comes with 3 pedals, throttle, clutch, and brake. A lot of pedal systems on racing wheels tend to have a flimsy and loose feel to them, but its magnetic pedal has excellent weighting and responsiveness, which really does make it feel like you are revving an engine and gaining speed. Number 2. Fanatec GT-DD Pro. If you are looking for a wheel that best emulates the direct drive experience, then this can be your choice. It's the perfect addition to your gaming setup and will have you ready to take on the streets in Gran Turismo 7. As the name might suggest, direct drive wheels connect a large motor directly to the steering wheel, which allows for much better control and force feedback. This is what professional racers and enthusiast sim racers use. You get 8 Nm of force feedback from this wheel, thanks to the included 180 boost kit. That type of torque is sure to make your hands and wrists sore, even after a short circuit race. The wheel itself features a great interface with familiar PlayStation controls and unique 5-way directional sticks. The included steel 2-pedal set completes this ultimate direct drive setup, compatible with PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, and PC. You should be doing laps in no time. Number 1. Logitech G Pro. This wheel is a high-end racing wheel designed for use with PC and Xbox One gaming systems. It has been designed specifically for racing enthusiasts who are looking for a more immersive and realistic racing experience. The wheel features high-quality construction with a metal frame and leather grip for a comfortable and durable racing experience. One of the key features of this wheel is its precise and responsive controls. The wheel has a 900-degree rotation that provides a realistic turning experience, allowing you to make precise movements in your racing games. It also has a dual motor force feedback system that provides realistic feedback to your hands as you race, simulating the feel of a real car. The Logitech G Pro Racing Wheel also features a variety of programmable buttons, paddle shifters, and pedals to give you full control over your racing experience. The buttons and paddles can be mapped to different functions in your racing games, allowing you to customize your setup to your specific preferences. The pedals are also fully adjustable, so you can fine-tune the sensitivity and feel of your braking and acceleration. In terms of compatibility, the wheel is compatible with a variety of racing games and simulation software, including popular titles like Forza Motorsport, Project Cars, and Assetto Corsa. It also supports PC and Xbox One gaming systems, so you can use it with a wide range of devices. With its precise controls, realistic feedback, and customizable setup, this racing wheel is sure to provide hours of racing fun and excitement. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.